So we'll see if he owns McDonald's, because that's what I'm starting with. Ticker symbol MCD, up about 1%, but down 13% year to date. It has been going through it. So today, McDonald's named a longtime executive, Skye Anderson, president of its U.S. business. They say they want him to bring focus and urgency to the home market. Sales growth at U.S. restaurants, they slowed again. But people who did show up bought pricier items, so there were higher overall checks at McDonald's. They're trying to expand their value menu, $4 breakfast, more options under $3.
Explain how you do a $4 breakfast.
I don't know, especially when everything's going up.
Yep.
I don't know how you do it.
I mean, who buys more beef in the world than McDonald's, I would think? Jeez.
I mean, I don't understand the game plan.
And I think that's what investors have been asking. But they say they have this multi-year plan. They want to bring in higher quality food, hand-breaded chicken.
Interesting.
They want to change restaurant designs. So
stock down 11%, 12-month returns.
Yeah. All right, here's your Caterpillar, Tom, because it is surging 12% here. And it has really become part of the broader AI trade, right? So it's a U.S. machinery maker. We know there are big yellow cats out there on farms across the country. It reported stronger sales across its businesses. Sales rose to $20.5 billion. And here's the thing, a record backlog for equipment orders driven by data center build-outs.
Sure.
So, Caterpillar was caught up in a recent sell-off in those AI-adjacent stocks over concerns about the sustainability of CapEx as it relates to AI, but it's enjoying a nice resurgence here today.
Yep.
All right, Palantir Technologies, have to do it because the stock is up 16%. Not too often you hear a company describe its sales as otherworldly, but that's what Palantir's CEO is doing. It's a software developer. They now expect sales to top $8 billion this year, driven by demand for its data analytics tools. And there was concern that AI startups like Anthropic would sort of eat Palantir's lunch, but no signs of that in this earnings report.
Yeah, I love watching his CEO get interviewed on business TV. This guy, he has no governor. He'll say anything.
He'll say anything.
Yep, it's interesting.
He's a raw for his company.
There you go.
All right, I want to talk. I know we usually do 3. I'm squeezing in 4.
Please.
Wayfair.
Yes.
Up 20.5%. I don't know if you guys shop at Wayfair.
I had to Google it because I didn't know what Wayfair was.
Oh, no,
my word.
Paul.
Yep.
Mrs. Keene went to it last night. She's out there buying bar carts for her friends.
Yes, this is what I'm talking about.
Oh, okay.
Love that about your wife. Okay, so Wayfair said sales in the U.S. grew at their fastest clip in 5 years. It also has brick and mortar stores, which I have to say I didn't know about, in Chicago and Atlanta, and they've got an annual membership now.
Are they like Etsy, ETSY?
No.
No, because they're selling new stuff. Etsy is usually more like not new, or Etsy is more like people make their own stuff and have their own storefront. So this is new merchandise. But here's the thing. A lot of these furniture retailers are being hurt by tariffs, by higher fuel costs.
Yeah.
Somehow Wayfair is not, and there's an analyst who said it's because they don't purchase inventory directly from suppliers, and they're not the importer of record. So therefore they're making out okay.
Killer Stock Movers, a podcast. Alex, we do it a number of times a day, but no one does it like Alexis Christophers.